Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this lesson, we are going to solve this beautiful SAT question. It says, find the value of 3 to the power of 30 divided by 27. But what should we do to solve this question? Let's break down it to the simple steps. Okay, I want to start with 27. 27 equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 to the power of 3. Let me rewrite it as 3 to the power of 30 divided by 3 to the power of 3. But what is the answer of this? Now I'm going to use a rule that says a to the power of m over a to the power of n. Same base, different exponent. It's gonna be a to the power of m minus n. Therefore, 3 to the power of 30 over 3 to the power of 3 equals 3 to the power of 30 minus 3. So our answer equals 3 to the power of 27. Let's find the answer between the options. The first one, no. Second one, no. Third one, no. Therefore, the answer is option D. No, 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 no. Wait. Let's have a look to the question. The question says 3 to the power of 30. Let me rewrite the question. 3 to the power of 30 over 27. As you know, 30 equals 3 times 10. Right. It's gonna be 3 to the power of 3 times 10 over 27. Now I'm going to use another rule that says a to the power of m. A to the power of m raised to the power of n equals a to the power of m times n. But how can we use this rule? Okay, if I have this side, we can result left side can help us. Therefore, from the a to the power of m times n, I'm going to rewrite it in this form. 3 to the power of 3 times 10 equals 3 to the power of 3, right, raised to the power of 10 over 27. What is the result of 3 to the power of 3? Right, 27 to the power of 10 over 27. But how can we calculate the value of this? Again, I'm going to use this rule, a to the power of m over a to the power of n. Same base, different exponent. It is enough we use top subtraction. Okay, 27 to the power of 10 over 27. It's gonna be 27 to the power of 10 minus 1 equals 27 to the power of 9, and this is our answer. Let's see, can we find it between options? Option A, no. B, no. And option C, 27 to the power of 9 is our answer. Also, there are another solution.